Hi, I'm Kevin and I'm here to show you how to set up your pressure pot. So to set up your pressure pot, make sure that you are disconnected from the air and your regulator may be already attached to the pressure pot or in line somewhere, so make sure that's on 0 and you're disconnected. Remove the lid and install your dip tube. It may be a flexible dip tube or a fixed dip tube, but make sure that it goes all the way to the bottom of the pressure pot so it sucks everything up from the bottom of the container you're going to put inside. Take your material, remove the lid, keep it in its original container if at all possible, because that will keep your pressure pot neat and tidy for longer. So pop that right into the bottom there, and then take this and with the dip tube put that through the neck of the bottle and onto the top there. This is then secured usually with 3 or 4 screws, and do that up tightly because there is a seal on the top and keeping the pressure in is obviously quite important. Make sure you apply even pressure if you can. Okay, make sure that's nice and secure. Then with this on 0 or completely closed, attach that to your air supply and begin to bring the pressure up very, very slowly. Material will then come through the dip tube and you can alter the flow rate based on the amount of air being applied to the pressure pot. If you'd like any help selecting or setting up your pressure pot, then please reach out to our technical sales team and let's start by talking about your application.